Meaning of half-crown.
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 Half-crown. Half-crown was a British coin that was in circulation from the 16th century until the 1970s. It was worth 2 shillings and sixpence, or 1/8 of a pound. The name half-crown comes from the fact that it was originally worth half a crown, which was a gold coin worth 5 shillings. Over time, the design of the coin changed several times, with different monarchs appearing on the obverse side, until it was eventually discontinued in favor of the decimalization of British currency. Today, half-crowns are collected by numismatists as a piece of British history.